Marguerite, have you ever made your own pasta before at home?
No.
Why
never.
not?
It's too complicated for me. I buy a packet of pasta, that's what I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to show you a really easy recipe for a homemade handkerchief pasta with salmon.
It sounds exciting and delicious.
She's scared of the salmon now.
I know. So we're actually going to be using this pasta noodle maker, which makes it very easy and with hardly any mess. Now, because we're making a saffron flavoured pasta, we first need to add some saffron to hot water to help the flavour and the colour come out. To that, we're going to add in an egg.
Yeah.
Now, the great thing is that the pasta noodle maker comes with this water measuring jug and also this flour measuring jug. So, Marguerite, can you please whisk that egg and saffron together? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in this cup of flour to the top of the pasta noodle maker.
This seems very easy.
So far, it's very easy. And then the lid goes back on.
I can't go wrong.
We're going to turn it on and we're going to choose one measuring jug of flour and press play.
Yep.
Now you're going to slowly pour in that liquid into these little holes here. So what it actually does is it kneads the dough inside the machine.
Yeah.
It's going to start to slowly push out the front.
It's cool, isn't it?
It's amazing. That only took a couple of minutes.
And we're going to cook up some salmon.
Wow.
This salmon is fantastic because it's already got the skin off, it's boneless, and it's nice and fresh. So all we need to do is dice that up into little cubes.
Yeah.
So I'll let you do the dicing, that's for you.
Because the salmon's thicker on one side than the other, you want all of the pieces at the end to be the same.
One will overcook and the other one won't.
Perfect.
Yeah,
There
you
you
got
go.
it.
Doing.
Oh yeah, it is a sharp knife.
Perfect.
Amazing.
Amazing.
So let's get started on the sauce. The sauce is super, super quick and really simple. It's really not scary to pan fry salmon, but I love cooking it in butter. You can do olive oil too, but there's something about butter that just makes food taste better, and it goes really well with salmon. So a nice big scoop of butter. This sauce is probably going to take 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
And fresh
quick.
pasta takes about 3 or 4 minutes to cook.
Oh my God, that's very quick.
If you've got this machine and you've got salmon ready to go, you can make this dish in 20 minutes at home.
That's,
or less.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this salmon is literally only going to take a few minutes to cook. It's really, really quick. And that's perfect timing to get the pasta on. And we do indeed have an enormous pot of boiling water that will stop the pasta from sticking together. And lots of salt goes in there too. Did you see how much salt I added in?
I did, yeah, that was huge.
So as soon as it goes in, you need to give it a bit of a stir just to make sure it doesn't stick. All right, guys, this pasta is ready to pull out. And as you can see, I'm definitely not rinsing it.
No, you're not.
And I'm not even pouring any of that water down the drain. I'm using a sieve to pick it straight out of the pot.
Oh my God, this is great. I'm going to be a great chef now.
Oh, yeah.
Loads of people. Very quick, and it's very healthy. Beautiful.